Yeah, well, so this is taking the stand not as someone to testify, but in response to that gag order that was issued by this judge earlier in this trial. Now, let me back up just a little bit to explain what happened. During one of the breaks, the former president went into the hall room, as he usually does, and made some comments. And what he said in those comments was that he called the judge partisan, and he said the person sitting next to him is very partisan. Now, keep in mind, that gag order, when it was put in place by this judge, said that Trump could not speak ill about anyone on his staff. Well, everyone was brought back into the courtroom. There were a few sidebars, and the judge asked Trump who he was talking about. His lawyers responded, and Trump said that, or his lawyer said that Trump was talking about the judge and the person sitting next to him, who was Michael Cohen, who was testifying at the time. Now, I need to just, again, back up a little bit to explain what it looks like in the courtroom. In this courtroom, the judge is in the middle. To his right is his court clerk. To his left is the person testifying. So the judge took it that Trump was talking about his court clerk, which would have been a violation of this gag order. There was a break in the courtroom, and then once lunch had come back, the judge made Trump take the stand and under oath say who he was talking about. Former president took the stand and again said that he was talking about the judge and Michael Cohen in his comments. Well, the moment Trump left the stand, the judge said this: "As the trier of fact, I find that the witness is not credible." And he was referring to my law clerk. He fined the president $10,000. Now, again, the former president, $10,000. Again, this is the second time that he has received a fine based off of this gag order and violating it. Now, Trump's attorneys at this point are fighting back, essentially saying that he can't say he was lying, he just took the oath, and they also were complaining about the fact that this law clerk is seated right next to the judge, calling it unusual when law clerks are typically sitting usually in front of the judge in a courtroom. So there's a big back and forth about this law clerk. Trump's attorneys arguing that they're getting this case tried by two judges because of the position of where this law clerk is standing, or sitting rather. The judge said that he has reconsidered this fine, and he's keeping with it, $10,000 fine against the former president for those comments that he made earlier today. So a lot of drama happening in regards to the gag order. This is in addition to the drama that has been folding all day with Michael Cohen, the former personal attorney of Donald Trump, on the stand. But that is what we're hearing right now from the courtroom about a $10,000 fine again against the president in regards to this gag order.
Oh my goodness. Donnie, you done slipped up again and violated the gag order. And this time, we caught you in 4K. You know, that's what these young folks like to say. They caught you in 4K doing it. So you thought you was going to go on about your business till the judge said, bring your behind into this courtroom. Get on this stand and take the oath. Now, who were you talking about? And, you know, Trump, he has that MAGA demon. He tried to lie his way out of it because that's all he knows how to do is lie. Oh, I was just talking about you, Judge. And Michael Cohen. The judge says, okay, now go sit your behind down. And, you know, Trump starts walking away. And on his way to sit down, the judge says, I don't believe you. You're lying. And that's $10,000 I'm going to get out your behind. Now, that's double what it was last time. So, Trump, don't stop now. Keep on going. Keep on violating that gag order. They can't hold you back, champ, right? Who can hold Donnie back, right? Oh, my God. This is so good. Trump supporters! Get those knee pads and those elbow pads ready. Because Jack Smith and Fonnie Willis, all right, are coming. It's over, MAGA.